Guess what? My channel actually got monetized within 24 hours. That's less than 24 hours. Oh yes, and I'm so excited to share this milestone with you. And in this video, I will show you exactly how I did it, how I was able to get my account monetized in less than 24 hours. Oh yes, from applying for monetization to setting up your ads step by step. I will guide you through the entire process so you can also start earning from your YouTube channel too. Ready to turn your hard work into income? And I'm sure that is it. Oh yes, so let's get started and get into the serious business for the day. Let me actually show you how I was able to get my YouTube channel monetized within less than 24 hours. How I actually did the ad setup. You know, when we get monetized, there are more ways to earn. We have the watch paid ads, and then we have the short ads, and a number of them. Okay, yeah, so I'm going to take you through how I am going to set up the ads so that I can start earning, and in the same way that you can also use to also begin to earn on YouTube. So let's get started. Great, so that is it, and that's my congratulations message on the screen now. Congratulations. Yes, and YouTube is welcoming me to the YouTube partner program. Yeah, so quickly I'll be clicking on the let's go down there with the blue background. Oh yes, and that is going to open a different page for me to start making the settings. Okay, working out the settings, the ad settings. That is it. We have the watch page ads and then the shorts feed ads over there, and you can see that below these two we have get started, and then you need to click on any of them to start the settings. Yes, so that is it. And you see, depending on the country you find yourself over there, there's going to be changes in the ways you can earn. Those in America and some other countries, Nigeria and other countries, can also have the membership, the supers and stuff like that. But over here, the country is set to Ghana, and that is why you see only these two. Possibly as it moves on, you can see the shopping aspect as well. Yeah, so that is it. And so quickly, I'm going to take you through how to do the ad setup. So let's first of all start with the watch page ads, as you can see over there, and from ads and YouTube Premium on the watch page. Oh yes, that is mostly giving a lot of people a lot of income, because there are a lot of views on that particular form of ads. Yes, so when we click on let's go, these are the monetization models. Okay, and it's going to actually give you a whole lot of details and all that, but as I always mostly do say, you should watch them clearly and keenly to understand them before you select approve or I have read and understood. Okay, so it is giving you advertising revenue, subscription revenues, the details, and then also YouTube video player, the content watch page, applicability and all that. So anything that you need to know under this watch page or the watch page ads, you're actually going to get it over here. So make sure you read it, you understand everything before you press on approve or accept down there. Okay, so straight away, let's go down there. I think all this one you can get time to read them. Okay, when you get to monetization. So let's quickly get down there and then we take it from there. Good, so that's exactly what you see. I accept the watch page terms. Okay, so you've actually read through the terms and conditions and you are okay. So let's check the box over there and then let's proceed. So that is it. Then you click on accept and next down there. So let's wait patiently. Good, so now we are through with the first step. So review your ad default. YouTube selects and places ads for each video. Okay, so let's go to next. Okay, place ads during video. So after checking that box, the next thing is you click on next down there at the right corner over there. Good. And then when we finish with this one, we are moving on straight to get to the short ads. And then we are going to also set that one too. Oh yes, good. So that is it. Okay, so now they are asking you to monetize your existing video, either to monetize your existing videos or you only choose those that you want them to monetize. So the first one is the most important aspect, or the most important point. All of my existing videos, good. So what it means is that they will place ads. YouTube will place ads on all your existing videos. Okay, you can also select I will choose, so that you select those that you want them to place ads on. When you finish, then you select monetize all down there, right corner over there. So we're going to click on that and see what is exactly going to happen on the screen. Fantastic. So you are earning from ads and YouTube Premium on the watch page. Yeah, so you can see the analytics down there. You can also decide to proceed. Right, so that is it, and that's a good news. So we are done with the watch page ads. We're moving straight away to the short feeds ad. You can either ignore that one if you don't want to earn from the shorts, or if you want to earn from the short, you can continue and proceed and set that one too. So now let's proceed with the shorts by clicking on turn on with the blue background over there. Great. And so you see, it's also going to have the same process. You're also going to read and understand the terms and conditions for the short ads, and then you approve by accepting it. Yes, and then you move straight away. So we wouldn't even waste more time over here. So quickly, we have accepted that one too. So you are earning from ads and YouTube Premium in the short feed as well. Oh yeah, so that's a good news, and it's a mind-blowing one. So that's exactly how to set your ads immediately after you get monetization on your channel. Yeah, so you can actually be checking from the analytics to see which of the ads, which of these two ads is actually getting you a lot of monies and all that. So that's exactly how it is done over here. So that is it, and I'm sure you've actually learned a lot from here. I'm hoping and wishing you also all the best, and I'm praying that a time will come we also get your account or your channel monetized, so you can also start earning massively over here from YouTube. Great, so that is it, and so from now onwards I shall be giving you update on the earnings and everything that's actually going to happen to the channel. Yes, actually this one is my second YouTube channel, that is my exploration channel. So you can check it out on that channel and see the watch some of the videos over there. Atasmart Explores or Discover with Atasmart. Any of these that you enter, you're actually going to get a channel over there. Or you can actually simply type Atasmart. That channel will also pop up, so you can actually be watching videos of that. So but hey, let me take you through how I was able to get my monetization application approved within less than 24 hours. You see, even when you apply, YouTube tells you that it's going to take some number of weeks, about 2 to 3 weeks or something like that. But hey, I was so fortunate to get it done within less than 24 hours. But how did I do that? You see, before I did the application, actually when I got to the threshold of 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, I actually went through all my videos to make sure that none of the videos is having any complications, is having any problem, any challenge, either community guidelines violations or policy violations or copyright strike, copyright claim, whatever. So I made sure I went through all my videos, yes, and I checked the restriction section. So I will also guide you to do that before you apply for your monetization. Yes, because if you don't do that and there is a video or a couple of videos having restrictions on them, it may prolong your application. Yeah, so I made sure I checked and everything was actually intact. Everything, none of the videos was having a copyright strike. Yes, and so immediately I applied. You see, it becomes very easy for YouTube systems to be scanning through your channel, because they say that they're going to use system or computer checks or review together with human review. You understand? And so I made sure I got time for that. And hey, I think that was on that particular day I just applied it, went to bed, and early in the morning I was like, wow, so that is it. So that is it. And those of you who watched the application video, you can check the application. That's the last video after this. Okay, when you visit my channel, you just check the video uploaded over there. Actually, I will try and then show it as part of the end screens on this particular video. At the end of this video, you see that particular video, so you can watch that one too, how I applied for the monetization itself. And it's so great and it feels so awesome. So that is it. You can also give it a try. Those of you who have started building your YouTube channels. I am motivating you. Let this particular video motivate and inspire you to keep it up. There's more ahead of you. So now that my exploration channel is monetized, hey, let's see what's actually going to happen over there. As I said, I'll be giving you all the update so that you can also based on that to get the inspirations that you need. Do not let anyone discourage or demotivate you from kickstarting. All right, yes, it feels so good, so great to see the congratulations message from YouTube. So I wish you all the best, and let me also take this time to advise you on your YouTube journey. Please make sure you work on your own content on the exploration channel. It's about travel content creation and all that, discovering people with special talent, and then also exposing and showcasing the beautiful place, the tourist side across Ghana and the African continent and all that. I travel myself. So recently I was speaking with someone, a YouTuber, and it was like, oh really, so you do travel as well? I said, oh yes, I travel across the country and all that, just to discover the people with special talent. I'm saying all this just to inspire you, for you to do the right thing. YouTube begins to love your channel when they begin to see that you work on your own video. You prepare your own video, you shoot your own video, you edit your own video. It doesn't necessarily mean that you should be an editor anyway, but hey, the video should be unique, it should be original, it should not be someone's video. Do not be taking some people's video, and even if you're going to do that, please do well to seek out for permission so that the person wouldn't put copyright on that your video. I've actually encountered or engaged with a lot of people who have received copyright strikes with the video from the parties they use their videos. Yes, sometimes it is today. I was advising someone that it is today that the person is giving you permission to use the content, okay? But the next day, no one knows what is going to come to the mind of that person. It can change the mind. And if your channel is built on that particular person's video or other people's video, and they begin to change their mind, and then they tell you to actually take off the video from your channel, that means your channel will be going down gradually because you don't have any video to upload. And that is why I advise that no matter the niche you find yourself in, you see, try to get your own video, or you can collaborate with someone. You may be in the United States of America and still you can be publishing content in Ghana, content in Nigeria. You can collaborate with a YouTuber in Nigeria. You can collaborate with a YouTuber in Australia or in Canada or in any other part of the world that you want to get more videos from. So assuming someone is in Dubai and the person would want to collaborate with Tata Smart on my exploration channel, I can shoot videos over here, send to the person. The person can also do, say, maybe from the tourist site across those places, and then also send to me. So I'll be here, I'll be showing videos from other countries. The person will also be there, let's say in Tanzania, and I'll also be showing videos from, let's say, Ghana or Botswana. That's it. That's part of the collaborations. You can do that so that you can stay in your home country and be publishing videos from other countries. So that's it, and that's the advice I'll give you. So it feels so good to actually get your channel monetized, as I have right now on my exploration channel, Ata Smart Explores. Do well to check it out and watch some of the interesting videos over there. So I will end here and tell you that there's more goodness ahead of you. Do not be discouraged. Keep it up, okay? One day, just a single day, you're actually going to remember all these, and it's going to be a testimony. Thank you very much, and let me hear from you at the comment section. Are you monetized now? Let me hear the comment section. If you are monetized, say yes, I am monetized. If you are not, let me hear from you at the comment section. Let me know if you have not monetized your channel yet. You know what I'm going to do for you? I will straight away check your channel. All right, I'll review your channel for you and let you know what you must do and what you must not do, what you are doing wrong and what you are doing right on your channel, so that you can also get your monetization. Oh yeah, so let me hear from you in the comment section. Are you monetized? Is either yes or no, I am not monetized, and then the good news start from there. So thank you very much for always being part of this wonderful family. I'm so grateful, guys. God bless you so much, and till we meet in the next video, all that I'm saying is that God bless you and do have a wonderful time. But hey, don't forget to subscribe to this my channel so that you can get the subsequent videos, the subsequent tutorials, the subsequent powerful tricks and hacks to also grow your YouTube channel from start till it becomes successful, get monetized, and begin to earn every blessed month.